This is our no-knead bread, fresh out of a home oven. 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 400 grams of bread flour. Add 15 grams of sea salt and whisk. Next, add 1 gram of active dry yeast and whisk again. Pour in 325 grams of water and mix. Mix until it just comes together. Shaggy is exactly what you want. Remove from the container and knead it for 2 or 3 minutes. It'll come together in one large mass. Place it back in the bowl and cover. Let it ferment at room temperature for 24 hours. Turn it out and gently form it into a rectangle. Now fold it over itself to build structure. Grab each corner and fold it into the center, just like this. Then flip it over. Cup your hands, gently tuck the sides, and pull. We're creating surface tension. Rest 15 minutes. After a 15-minute rest, we do the same thing again, just a little tighter. Lightly flour, then place into your bowl or basket, seam side up. Pinch the seam closed, then cover and let rest for about an hour. Turn it out onto a piece of parchment or something similar. Score the dough. This doesn't have to be perfect. A simple cut is all you need. Launch it onto your baking steel or stone, then add a few ice cubes for steam. Bake at 450 for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the oven. I'm using baking steel bracelets here. Place them down and set the loaf on top, and bake for another 20 to 25 minutes. When it's done, open the oven and give it a knock.